fuck.
Hi.
I owe you an apology. How rude of me to have touched your belongings without asking.
Oh, no, it's cool. I was just confused.
Well, I can assure you there was no funny business. Allow me to explain. I lifted your cellular phone to wipe down the dresser, and it accidentally came undone.
Yeah, I
Rather than meddle with it further, I left it that way. How foolish of me.
It's fine.
World that is being ravaged by extreme weather. These images are coming in from Croatia, where the scene appears almost apocalyptic. I mean, wildfires along the coast are forcing hundreds to evacuate. Shifting winds have been spreading the fires deeper into land, and other parts of continental Europe, including France, Germany and Greece, are also battling major fires.
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. I've got nothing to do with that business. I never killed nobody.
No? Then why did you run away when they came to question you?
I already told you I forgot to report to my parole officer. I didn't want to go back to prison. When I saw the cops, I just bolted. I wasn't thinking straight.
We checked out his statement. He has an alibi for at least 3 of the murders. Ash? Okay. Sean Moss's mother's here. She'd like to speak with you.
It was a few months back, the middle of the night. It was pouring down. Ethan came home completely drenched at about 3. I asked him where he'd been. He spoke about drowning, the rain. He didn't make any sense. There was something in his eyes, as if it wasn't really him. There may be no connection, but the next day there was that announcement about another victim of the origami killer. Find my son. I'm begging you.
Meanwhile, here in the UK, fires have been ripping through homes in the West Midlands. The local fire service is calling it one of the most significant incidents in its history. And on Thursday, Britain recorded its hottest day of the year, with the summer on track to become its hottest on record.
I wasn't trying to snitch.
Snitch.
Rat you out.
Tattletale.
Yeah.
Oh, don't you worry about that.
I'm Police Lieutenant Carter Blake, and this is Agent Norman Jaden of the FBI. According to our information, Ethan Mars is one of your patients. We'd like to ask you a few questions about him.
I'm sorry, that's impossible.
I beg your pardon?
I'm bound by an oath of secrecy. Under no circumstances may I discuss my patients.
My job is to find Sean Mars alive, and I don't give a damn about any bullshit oath. Doctor, you are really pushing my buttons. The only thing I'm interested in is saving that kid's life. So, you're gonna be a good boy and tell me what I want to know, or I am really gonna lose my temper.
Blake, stop that immediately.
Let go of me. You have no right.
Come on, Doc. There's an easy way and a hard way. It's your fucking choice.
Don't let go of this man immediately. I'll report you and you'll be off the case.
What the hell's the matter with you, Norman? What, you getting cold feet? You don't want to save Sean Mars anymore?
I want to save Sean Mars just as much as you do, but that doesn't give me all rights. So you're gonna stop this shit right now.
Ethan Mars has had psychological problems since his first son died. Feels responsible for his death. A sort of morbid neurosis. he is haunted by visions of drowning bodies. A few weeks ago, after one of our usual sessions, I found this on the floor. It must have fallen out of his pocket.
Ash, I want you to assign every available man to finding Ethan Mars. I want a man outside his place day and night. Notify all agencies to start looking for him. I want you to keep an eye on the train stations, the airports, the bus terminals. I want every cop in the city on his ass, so that if he moves, we know about it. Yes, Ethan Mars is the origami killer.
And it's not simply the heat that is impacting the globe. Drenching storms are rolling over the Midwest US for a sixth day. It follows a 1 in 1,000 year rainfall event on Wednesday. And just outside Tokyo, incredible pictures, record-breaking torrential rain has fallen on Japan's Chiba prefecture. At least 8 people have died.
I can assure you, I don't answer to anyone.
Right.
Are you prepared to suffer to save your son? You have 5 minutes to cut off the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera. If you succeed, you will get your reward.
To go through with it. I have no choice, for Sean's sake.
You have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Take me in, O tender woman. Take me in for heaven's sake. Take me in, O tender woman. Side the vicious sake.
Under the desk.
I have saved you, cried the woman. And you've bitten me heavens wide. You know your bite is poisonous, and now I'm going to die. Oh, shut up, silly woman, said the reptile with a grin. You knew damn well I was a snake before you took me in.
Evening to you, Tamsin and John. How many times have you gotten this close to a guillotine? Well, it's on the rooftop here in Greenpoint, and so many people like Pix11 and neighbors here are wondering, why? Why a guillotine?
Oh, no. 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 Aren't you something?
Perfect. Nobody moves until I give the signal. Is that clear? We nail him as soon as he sets foot outside.
Right, Lieutenant.
Lucky that patrol spotted his car.
What's he doing in there?
Beats me. You're the profiler, right? I thought you were supposed to be right inside the killer's head.
Well, that's just it. What I know of Ethan Mars doesn't match the killer's psychological profile.
I know what the jury's gonna choose between your theories and concrete proof. What the fuck is that girl doing there? Mars comes out now, she's gonna be in trouble.
What do we do, Lieutenant? Want to get her out?
No, stand down.
Ethan, what happened? The police, they're out there. I think they're here to arrest you. We've got to find another way out.
Ready on my go. Stay here, Jaden.
Out of the question. I'm coming with you.
2 men at the door, hold your positions. It's a go.
Come on, let's go this way.
Hey, you, don't move! I'll shoot!
Come on, quick!
That's not my experience. Not at all. The Armitages are so good to us. They treat us like family.
The hour is nigh, and the wrath of God shall strike men down. I am preparing for the end of the world.